Welcome to the Big Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere, taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market. BTC and the rest of the market getting a little bit of a rally, but are we talking bear market rally, or are we really going to see some moves to the upside? We still got this talk about another interest rate hike coming in November, but then they said that could be the last one, so definitely expecting a lot of buying and selling. But which way are we going to go? Are we going to see some lower price action? Are we going to see some higher price action? That just remains to be seen. Still haven't broke out of that downward trend, but definitely could be some sideways action until the market starts making some movement to the upside. If we do start getting some bullish action, we definitely got to get over this 20,853, make our way over this 23,264 at the 618 and start working on that 25,230. Got that breakout action at 32,624. So been looking for this tight squeeze up to the upside. It's hard to get bullish even with people shouting out all the the Fed news and such, because we just got so much that still can affect the market. We've been seeing it for a long time now. Everybody's getting reeled in. You see it on the media. Everybody's saying we're having a rally up to the upside. It's a rally, and then the next day, here we go again with some low price action. So just be careful out there, folks, and be sure to DYOR, do your own research. Make sure you're finding out where your money goes, because it's your money. And you always remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So definitely excited to see where we're going with BTC. A lot of people calling bottom action. I'm still looking for that 8 to 12,000 area, especially with what a lot of stuff affecting the market today. Things can change at a minute's notice. We've got hurricanes. We've got North Korea launching missiles over Japan. I bet you that was a crazy day. Wake up and rockets flying over your island there, and it's getting wild out there. So a lot of stuff can definitely affect the market in a moment's notice. So definitely keep an eye on that. But we definitely got amazing price action across the board. BTC's, back down to that 17,782, which is definitely cheap. Definitely cheap. We've been talking about that for the big dogs. 20,000 ain't nothing. So, I got my hopes and dreams on this 8 to 12,000 area for some definite accumulation, because that would definitely make it affordable across the board for just about anybody. But at this point, we got sales on stocks, we got sales on crypto. They're just sales across the board, and we're getting some movement back up to the upside. As you can take a look, we got AMC coming in at some higher price action. A lot of people buying in on AMC. I got some of that action going on that AMC and that APE. Everybody's talking about it. How high is it going to go over the next couple of years? I mean, it's definitely excited to see. I'm definitely glad to be here at this, low bottom price action. So are we going to see at some low prices for, the years to come, or is it just, I would love some accumulation over time, and definitely out here looking for that long-term hold. So, definitely out here looking for some higher price action, and, looking for that high price action. So we got AMC up 13%. We got APE 1230 coming in at 274. Y'all didn't even think it was going to go down to low price action, but we definitely threw it on the table, hit that price action, and here we are. Are we going to get any lower? I'm out here looking for that low price action. I'm hoping for that just over $1. That would be amazing price action across the board. We got Amazon coming in at 121. Just sales price across the area. We got GM making some moves as well. So getting a little bit of recovery in the market, basically on that news that could possibly be, the last interest rate hike that's going to happen. And, guess we'll see what's going to happen from there. A lot of people looking at the historical October Bitcoin bull run that usually, occurs, but we just haven't had all this other stuff in the past. So, COVID, Russia, Ukraine, Ukraine, China, Taiwan. I mean, you got a lot of stuff going on out there that can, we never had the word annexation thrown out there many times in the last runs, but, could possibly, I would love some accumulation over time, keeping that sales price action over, the long run. I would definitely, the more accumulation you can get at this low price action, more bang for your buck on the move back up to the upside. So I'm definitely out here lurking for some capitulation. Am I going to get it? That just remains to be seen. But, definitely keep an eye on the news, keep an eye on BTC, keep an eye on that stock market, and we'll do some follow-up videos through the week. Once we start making some movement back up to the upside, we'll get back into the five coin, 5 stock videos. We'll continue to launch the launch the videos throughout the night. I'll be launching out as many as I can on the regular. At this point, just a quick update, and we're back at it going into this Tuesday evening. I hope everybody's having an awesome evening out there. So you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. You always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.